I'm Mel, and I'm glad you're joining us here. I'm here with I'm here with Rachel Scott. She is a yoga teacher trainer and an instructional expert, and one of my besties. And so we're going to talk today about what?
I think we should talk about 3 things that if you're a brand new student to yoga, that you need to know or should know when you walk into the studio.
Ah, so good. Number one for me, brand new student to yoga, to know that yoga is not gymnastics. And so you're not going to be, it's not about flipping around.
Despite what you might think on Instagram,
Yeah.
potentially,
Yeah.
where there's a lot of flipping around. But yes, so if yoga's not gymnastics, Mel, what is it?
Well, the actual word yoga means to yoke, to pull together the mind, which can be fragmented, right? Busy mind, and the deep heart connection, and then move that into action. So when you move your body, the movement actually has meaning. And it's great for your muscles and your whole health system.
Yes,
but it's
definitely
about the mind getting synced up with the body.
Yeah, ultimately, yoga, although the tool of yoga is physical, it's about unwinding yourself. So if you're a new student, don't freak out. You don't have to reach enlightenment on the first day. It's not about that. But it's like you'll notice after the class, you feel more calm, feel more peaceful. And that's, even though your hamstrings will be longer, that's really the benefit of the practice. Is your mind, right?
Yeah.
There's a different...
Absolutely.
And then later on, something even deeper, maybe, an unfolding of...
Sure. And to feel calm, it's idea to have the body not hurt. So hopefully your yoga practice doesn't hurt.
Yes.
And it makes you feel better. So there's less hurt, and then you can be chill.
Yes.
Yeah.
And be happier in life.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So not gymnastics, number 1. Okay, number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 2.
I mean, we covered a lot in number 1, but number 2.
Yeah, number 2. Take your shoes off before you enter the room.
Good safety.
Just saying.
Yeah, I have a lot of students who practice in their socks.
Sure.
And you know what? I'm actually okay with that. I don't tell them they shouldn't. I mean, it's usual to practice barefoot.
Yes.
But I'm okay if they want to wear their socks.
Yeah.
If you want to wear your socks, you wear your socks. But just know that most people don't wear their socks. It's okay.
And you want to be able to spread your toes.
Yeah.
You don't want tight socks.
Yeah.
No
compression socks.
And you don't want nylons.
Tights?
Do people wear nylons?
Don't know.
Do people wear nylons anymore?
I've never seen nylons in a yoga
What are they
class.
called? Legs? They come in the little...
Spanx. Maybe Spanx.
Oh,
but Spanx are
that's
different.
newfangled.
That's a different thing. Okay.
Yeah, you want to be able to spread your toes, and yes, sure.
Yeah. So take off your shoes before you enter the room. Yoga is not gymnastics. I would throw in you don't have to know the names of the poses or be good at it. There's a lot of Sanskrit that might fly at you.
Yeah.
Funny names, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. You don't have to know the names.
No.
Yeah, right.
Not at all. And hopefully, teachers, this is a loving message for you. If you are sharing this Sanskrit, which is great, say the English right after.
Yes.
So, Tadasana.
Mountain pose.
Yay!
Yay! And look how easy that was.
Yeah. And, don't be afraid to be able to see the teacher demoing or back up a little bit, because sometimes teacher may not be demoing.
Yes.
So then you can see the other more seasoned students.
Exactly. You don't need to be in the front row, because a lot of time the teacher's going to walk around.
Yes.
So put yourself a row back so you can watch other students, because easier to just see the visual of what's going on than to...
Yeah, if you're a visual learner, for sure.
It's easier to kind of watch. Oh, I had one. Oh, okay. One more. Just
This
like
is a
bonus.
This is bonus.
Here's a bonus. You don't have to be flexible.
Oh my goodness. I'm still not flexible. It's been 25 years.
See, there you go.
See?
And in fact, it's better. Like when I'm teaching, I get more excited about my students who come in who are inflexible, because yoga is such a mobilizing practice. It's going to be super helpful.
Yeah.
Right. So I love inflexible students. So that idea that you have about, needing to be flexible to do yoga is actually backwards. It's like, come to the practice that will help your body.
Actually, I get worried about my very flexible students
Me
because
too.
they have more range of motion, and then they, you get hurt easier.
You just put them in plank and leave them there
Well,
and say, get strong.
I've been in plank for my whole life. I'm still in plank. See, it's in my other Yeah.
The other.
Anyway, so
There it is.
hopefully that was helpful.
Yeah, there it is.
We want to be helpful.
We are trying to be helpful.
We are trying
There
to
it
be
is.
helpful.
3 tips for new students.
3 tips for new students and a bonus.